In the car, a 5-kilometer trip across the city could take 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, you don't know. With bikes, it will take always the same time. So the bike library, it is a research project. Think about the bike library as a traditional library, but instead of people borrowing books, there are people borrowing bikes. And the point is that they can borrow them for 3 or 4 months, use them as their own. They can actually be effective in replacing many car trips. What we are trying to understand from this is if these kind of incentives actually are able to generate a shift in behavior. So moving people from going around with cars to people going around with e-bikes or walking. There are a lot of benefits in terms of reducing congestion. So you take away cars from the road, improve the air quality, and you get increased well-being. So you get people to do more activities. We want to understand if at the end of the pilot, the participants are planning to buy an e-bike and not use the car anymore to bring kids to school. We see also the routes that they take. Some families might prefer specific routes. We can see they are taking longer routes to avoid specific parts of the road because probably they are not perceived as safe enough to go with the kids. I think research brings a better future for people when it tackles specific societal challenges. It is all about delivering a societal change, delivering impact on the way we behave, in the way we interact with the environment, and in the way we consume resources, and so on and so forth.